Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you stay to the end of this upload where I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. We got a great episode. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake. First up, I'm going to make a drink. This is called a Foghorn, and it was made famous at New York City's Waldorf Astoria Hotel. So I have a tall glass with ice, and we'll go 2 ounces of gin, a ½ ounce of fresh lime, and 4 ounces of ginger beer. And I got a nice lime wedge as a garnish. And that, my friends, is a Foghorn from New York City's Waldorf Astoria Hotel. Coming up next, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. All right, for Appies with Chappy by the lake today, we're doing purple barbecued pork sliders. So I got these purple buns. I just got them at the Asian grocery store. Beautiful color. They're made with purple yams. And I got my barbecue pork. I just did in a slow cooker. So we're just going to assemble them. And that will be my appetizer for today. All right, I'm going to finish them off with some 3 peppered brandy barbecue sauce. It says Spirited Mickey, 3 peppercorn brandy, a spirited barbecue sauce. Taste adventure. Spirited barbecue sauce taste adventure. And that's actually a picture of me in my tuxedo. All right, we'll get these out by the lake and get our drinks going. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today we're having purple pulled pork sliders. So I figured we got a purple theme going. I'm wearing purple. My sliders are purple. So I'm going to make a purple drink. So today for Appies with Chappy by the lake, to go with my purple pulled pork sliders, I'm going to do a grape rosemary smash. So this is a muddled drink. I got a sprig of rosemary. And we're going to do the juice from the half of 1 lemon. I got a ½ cup of Zinfandel. And we'll go a full cup of grape juice. I'm assuming it's purple colored, but I haven't opened it yet. Oh yeah. So that's a full cup of grape juice. And then we're going to do 1 ounce of gin. And if you have any fresh grapes to muddle in there, that would be good too, but I don't have any on hand. So we're just going to muddle up that rosemary. Okay, and I have a nice hurricane glass with ice. I'm going to strain that on in. And then we're going to finish it off with a little bit of club soda. And then I have a nice rosemary sprig as a garnish. And I thought it'd be a nice touch. I have a little purple plum as a garnish as well. to go with my purple pulled pork sliders. And I'm wearing purple. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.